There will be 3 games for you here in the arena. At the end of the 3 games, one team will emerge as today's winner.
Canadian?
Yeah, one.
Confirm the number of currencies.
Number of currency, they have the Australian dollar. They have the... One more.
Put it in front of me, Okay.
Let's begin.
When a trader expects the price of an asset to rise, what action should he take?
Buy.
A, sell, B, buy.
Buy.
Correct. Which of the following attributes is more suitable for a trader? A, patience, B, honesty.
Patience.
The world's most traded currency pair. A, Euro/USD. B, USD/CNH.
A.
Correct. What currency pair is nicknamed fiber in the forex market? A, Euro/GBP. B, Euro/USD.
Euro/USD.
Correct.
Aye.
For each round, the playing team must tell the game master the asset they intend to trade.
Global inflation environment. Positive for gold.
That's what? 10,000 plus, that's 110,000, right? Next, Team Pro.
Political stability in Venezuela, negative for crude oil.
So
That's 2K.
that's 2K plus 2K.
And made 2K.
We made
They
2K.
They made 2K now.
So we made 2,000.
Team Pamm. Congratulations.
Big brother Naija.